Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are fixing back glass and battery for iPhone 14. iPhone 14 back glass is but easy to remove as compared with previous iPhone models. You can remove rear glass without using the laser machine. We are using heat gun for removing the back glass. Heat up the back from all sides, use a pry tool and suction cup for this to dismantling the back glass clips from the housing. Be careful and do not use excessive heat near the rear camera, high temperature can damage the camera lenses. After you pull out the back glass, unscrew the wireless charging flex cable. This is the new back glass replacement part for iPhone 14. Now, disconnect the battery flex. Time to remove the battery from the phone. Use a tweezer to pull the adhesive tabs. You can also use isopropyl spray to soften the adhesive. Watch the video till end to get a more clear idea, how did we redo all this process for replacing the battery and back glass for iPhone 14. It is quite fun job to do. You can try this at home if you know what you are doing and mainly if you have the right tools. Kindly share, like and subscribe our channel for more detailed and informative tech videos and tutorials. You can shoot a message in the comment if you like this video. Happy watching.